We are outside 5310 Clark Road. A couple of years ago, it had the label Park Place. I'm not sure if it still has that label or not. But anyway, we have an elevator to ride. Yeah, it's just labeled as 5310. Here's the machine room. But anyway, let's ride it. Let's go to. This one has a really nice motor. You can see an ECI interlock out there that says 403. So this was installed in April of 2003. Let's call it. Let's go down to 1. Here's your cab view. And here we are back at 1. There it goes. And that'll be it.